by the beach. It's not gonna work. It has to be soft. Oh, she's off. Ooh, wow. Oh, we just had lunch in that restaurant. Dinner in that restaurant.
It was just in a towel. Like, yeah. Yeah, but it's like really good. Oh god. We're just both like, your short's still wet. She'll take soaked. It doesn't look as good on that camera. No, it never does.
This boy's like a little. Why does it look like there's a storm coming? Oh. Wowzers!
Oh god, it's in my back.
Sorry. Ooh. It's so nice.
I'm like a towel. I'm like the worst fit ever. Not very photogenic. And I went into the flipping restaurant, which make me laugh.
Everyone's like having campfires. No. One of these nice.
Oh, we have to go now. Oh, it's so nice. Here we're going.
One of these.
We've stopped.
Oh yeah, I can see. Is that a car?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Look at after Holly.
Bella, do you want to run with me? Well, the thing is, you just go over and behind.
It's the end.
Did you taste that Tony? Yeah. You got a piece. You got one?
Yeah, it was really good.
Do you have a Tony?
I'm gonna probably wear the coat like this instead of how it's meant to be like fully done up because I'm too hot and the sun has just come back out. I was gonna wear a scarf and stuff and be like really extra, but no.
Oh my god, I hate wearing them. I hate it.
This is my outfit.
No, not the kite.
Oh, it's Edgar and Bella.
No, Bella, do you like these pizzas? Are they the best pizzas? They're food. Yeah, that's my food. That's the same time.
Oh, and we're stuck in a cotton. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, is that... Toilets.
Look at
this stars.
I found it.
Did you see that meteor shower the other day? There's loads of them.
No, he's still. Oh no, I've got the cherry blossoms in front of my cherry blossom painting. I'm so excited to make these. They've actually got another box because it kind of looks a bit empty, but guess what we're putting it in an empty candle thing because it kind of makes sense because I like pink. I like to keep the box in good condition because I'm going to use this tool that I have from art and then hopefully the box remains good condition because if you ever want to resell it then a good condition box is always, you know, ideal because what's the... Hang on. Okay, there we go. We've done that and then all we should do. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. Now the box is in perfect condition still. I need to open more of my Lego like that. And then here we are. The pieces, the instructions. It's quite a lot of bags. That's it, and then it doesn't even look like I've opened it. That was quite a smart move, I must say myself. Okay, and it's for the box, forget the box. It's still these cherry blossoms. That's what it's gonna look like. That's so cute. My sets. Anyways, let's get to it.
All done?
Yeah.
I'm gonna paint this white and then add cherry blossoms. This is what's gonna hold the Lego pieces.